Welcome back again. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel as to see the coming videos or the coming work that we are doing. If you are already there, just welcome back again and thank you for watching the video. This video is intended to show you how to insert a table in MSWord or inserting table in MSWord. I will show you, or I will display many different ways that can be inserted a table. Before that, what is a table and what is meant a table? Table is just lines or a grids of cells that have that makes row and columns, just like rows and columns, lines that are intersecting to make a row or a column, just like the cells. I will show you. That's called a table, and it's used for presenting data, whether it is that data or information is numerical or text. So the table can be inserted so many ways. You can convert data into a table, you can insert it. So I wanted to show you how we arrange data. You have like this data, monthly budget. You wanted to arrange items, you wanted to arrange the budget, the values or the numbers that you have, or the costs or the months you have used, you have there. So you wanted to show this data into a table to show the total for each item, the total for each month, like that. So we will complete this. So watch this video until the end. You will get a lot, and try to do it if you have a laptop, or if you have a computer, or if you have even a smartphone. You can do it. Try your best. So for that, let's know what we are doing. Insert a table in MSWord. How many ways can be inserted a table? Tables can be inserted in so many ways, or in 4 ways. I will show you in this session the 4 ways that can be inserted at the table. That 4 ways is one, by highlighting the table. You highlight number of cells, number of rows, number of columns. You highlight it and then you insert. The other way is by inserting table. Insert table, just you insert the number of rows and the number of columns in your table, and then you click OK. It will show you. The other one is by drawing the table. You draw it, the table, by drawing the table, and then you draw the rows and also the columns to make a table. The other one is by quick tables. So let's see it. How can we insert a table? We go to start MSWord. This is the procedure, and then blank, and then we write here we insert the table. Before you go to insert tab, not a home tab, insert tab, and then you click on the table icon, that one. You click the arrow, and then this is by highlighting. When you wanted to highlight, you highlight number of rows and number of columns like this. This is one way that you can insert your table. The other way is by inserting. You insert like this. You insert, this is the highlighting. The other way that we can insert is you come to insert tab, and then you go to insert, and then insert table, this one. Then you enter the number of rows and number of columns you want. For example, I want 4 rows and also 3 columns. 3 rows, 4 columns and 3 rows, and then you click OK without exchanging any other. So this is the second way that you can insert a table. The third way is go to insert again, and then you go to tables, and then you draw the table. This one, you have this pen, you click on where you wanted to insert that table, and then you draw the lines. This is called a row. Row is this one, and this is the second row, third row, fourth row, as you want, fourth row or fifth row, sixth, seventh. That are the rows I have drawn. And then the columns, these are the column 1, Control Z and do it. Column 1, column 2, column 3. That are the columns. This is how you insert your table. Yeah. And the fourth way is you click here, or you can go to layout or to the design, and then you click the pen there. This one. Click the pen here. This is the pen color. That's it. So just select it. The other way is the fourth way. Insert, then insert table, and then by quick tables. This is the quick tables. You have sample tables here. Before you select it, let us see where we have put our casa, because this is where it will come. So I don't want to be here. I'll put my casa here, even down there, and then I want to insert there. And then click insert, and then by quick tables, you select one of these. This depends on how you want it to appear your table. Yeah, you have this one. If you have expenses, the work you are doing, your table, you select one of these. For example, I take this one. This is the table I wanted. Then you select it, and then you change this data. This is a template table. Yeah. So I wanted to. I think that you have seen how to insert the table. So I wanted to enter data in our table, data entry. You open a new one, and then I draw or I take any design I wanted. I will choose this one. So you insert a table. This depends on the number of columns that you want. I wanted to have here 5 columns there. This is five columns, and even I want to 5 rows or 6 rows. Yeah. So you can arrange your table here by clicking here. You drag up to here, catch your mouse, and then drag until the space you wanted. You can space like that. This is in the upper U ruler. So you put the cursor where you wanted to insert your data, where you wanted to start. For example, I wanted to write here monthly budget. I have monthly budget, yeah. And then these are the items, and then this will be for the months from January. I write here Jan, Feb, March, April. This month, the last month. So this I wanted to mention my items. For example, I use sugar. Then you can tap to move to the next step. In January, how much I've used it. I've used it. 5,000. February, 5,500. March, 4,800. April, 4,500. Yeah. Then I press tap to come to the next row. I've used rice. I've used rice 4,000. This is just an example. 3,700, 4,200, and also 3,900 in April. I've used it here. Maize. I use it maize. This maize should be 2,000, 1,500, 1,000. Also 1,900. Press tab. Here I want to use oil. I use it oil 1,000, 1,200. Sorry. 1,100, and also 900. So when I press tab, it adds another row automatically when you press tab. So you add here Omo. I've used Omo 500, 600, 750, 1,000. Yes, this is my table. I don't want to add more. So if you wanted to resize, you can resize here. You come here and then drag as you want. You like this. By dragging, you table. Yeah, you do like this. So the other thing I want to do is modification, table modification. I have here two tabs that concerns the table. If I'm out of the table from my cursor, this is the last tab is the view tab. So if I click on the table, two new tabs will come. That is for design and the layout. So I designed. You selected the design. Design is what? You do table structure. You design the table structure like this. You select here, come to here. You select the table structure. This is the structure I would like. So we shall do it later. If I want it to be selected, you come to here and then plain. Yeah. First row, first reader. So first header row. This row should be like that. And layout tab is for adding these view grid lines. If there's grid lines, I don't have there. Properties, table properties. You see the table properties. If you are doing some changes here, the other one is draw. You draw some lines here. You can add and erase a line. So you can delete a table or a cell. You can delete here cells, columns, rows, and tables. You can delete any. Delete table. The table will be deleted. Redo, undo it. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to insert a new column here. You get here. This is the new above the row comes above. This is insert a new row above, insert a new row below, insert column or new column to the left, insert a new column to the right. That's it. And this one is the match. You match your cells, you split. When I wanted to match the matching, you highlight the cells that you wanted to match, and then you click on match cells. I will do it later even, because I wanted to add some there, some columns or some data to use for the total. So you insert a table, you insert a column to the right. To the right means what? Right of the selected cell where your cursor is blinking. That is the selected row or the selected column. So if I say to the left, the new column will be positioned to the left. So I want it to the right. This is the right. And let me write there total for total months. Yeah, this is it. And then if I came last row, I wanted to add another row there. I do the same. This is the below. Insert a new column below the where the cursor blinking. Yeah. And then let me write there total again. This total means what? Total for each month, and this is the total for each item. This item is total for these items. This I wrote wrong place. Let me cut Ctrl plus X and place it here. Ctrl plus V. Thank you for watching. If you are new, please subscribe the channel for more videos about the computer introduction and others. This is Sabaja Zero channel where you are watching to, and this tutorial is for ICT training, ICT livelihood training, which is now goes on as an online. And then when I have highlighted this first row, means I wanted to match these cells. I have merged, and then cell, the first row becomes as a single cell. They are merged the other cells. Yeah. And then I made the text into the center. Make the text into the center. This is the alignment. And then if you want to, this is the directions, you can use it. And then I wanted to size. To change the size of the font, you come to home and then font size. Yeah. Then even if you want, you can make it bold. This is the monthly budget. This N is missing there. There's Mrs. Bailey. So this column is called the headers. This row becomes the header, column headers. The first row becomes, this is my second row I'm using as a header. Then I made it bold, and then 12 in font. And this is first column also, just like headers. These are the names. Made it bold and 12 font size. Even if you can change the font name, the color as you want. So I want to make some to show you some calculations here. The total for each item and the total for each month. How money I've spent in from January to April. I wanted to know this total. I'm not using a calculator. I'm not using for my fingers or for my mind. I don't want to type any number here like this. I want to do it automatically because I have a computer and the computers are for calculation. Let you know that. I go to layer tab. I put my cursor where I want it to appear, my data or my total. Then you go to layer tab and then you go to formula or FX in the data group. You go there and then click there. this dialog box appears. This says what? This is the formula, equal to sum parenthesis lefty. Sum this from lefty to lefty. You can change even if you want. If it's above, you can write here above. And even you can change the function, the sum. You can change it. You come to here. These are the functions. You can count, add, divide, false, if, like this. There are so many formulas here, but I want to use the sum. Leave it the way it is. Then you click OK. Yeah, I've calculated. This is my total. How do I know this is not a typed one? It has highlighted on the background as a black or gray. So I wanted to use the others. I wanted to autofill. What should I do? I copy this one symbol. Copy this one. Right click. When you highlight it, you highlight. After that, right click it, or you can press Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V, and then highlight the rest of the text, and then paste it here. Right click on the selected, and then paste it. What's wrong? Yeah, very good. Oh, sorry. Paste. This is my formula, and then it seems the same. It's identical. So how do I change it? You need to press F9 on your keyboard, F9 key. When it's highlighted, this will be changed again. That's the problem. If you press F9, it'll be like this. So you do the other one to the same way as you have done. You go to place your cursor where you want it to appear under the last total, and then go to formula. So it's what? Above, sum above. So okay, then you click there. You have the formula. So again, click it and copy it. Copy. Copy it. And then paste it here. Paste it here. Ctrl plus V. Then you press F9. Highlight it because it looks the same. I wanted to accept the value. You press F9. It displays like this by pressing F9. So we have done the totals or the formula. So we have our data. So I wanted to go to the design part. You can also have or change the direction for this. You come to here, this direction. You do like that. You do like that. Like that. Let it be like this. This is direction. So let me go to the design part. This is the design tab. So you select one design here, or you can do shading here. You highlight your table, select the table. You can do your own shading, own color, background color, like that. Or you can table styles here. Let's have this design or this design any. So it's like this. Yes. These are the table borders. These are the lines. You want you can change the lines here, or you make like this. Or the lines. I don't want to draw a table. leave it the way it is. Okay, these are the ways how you can insert a table, how you can do all of it. So this is the designing part. You can design it. Even you can change this first row of the table or first columns like this one, or this one. You can do like this. These are what table style options. Like this, like that, what to be like this. The last column, the total column. This is the total, and the last row, the total row, will be different from the data. It is like this. For any questions or any comments, just hit the comments below. Do not forget the comments below. We will look it and we will respect your comments. Thank you for watching the video. See you again. If you're new to us, please subscribe the channel. If you are not new, just like the video, share to your friends and inform them that we have a lot in computer applications. Thank you for watching again. See you soon.